Welcome back to Codecraft by Mac. In the last video, we learned about inheritance in Python, how child classes can inherit properties and methods from parent classes. Today, we will cover the next big OOP concept, that is polymorphism. The word polymorphism comes from Greek. Poly means many and morph means form. In the programming, polymorphism means one name, many forms. For example, the word run has many meanings. You run a marathon, you run a program, a machine runs. Same word, different behavior depending on the situation. That is polymorphism. Polymorphism with functions. Print length of hello, it will give you print out 5, and print length 1, 2, 3 of array will print out 3. Here the same function length works on both strings and lists. Polymorphism with classes. For example, class dog of function speak print woof, class cat of function speak will print mew. For animal in dog and cat, animal.speak. Both classes have the same method name speak but different behavior. One will print out woof and the other will print out mew. Method overriding recap. Polymorphism also happens when a child class overrides a parent class method. For example, class animals function sound of self print some sound, and class bird of animal class with function sound self will print chirp. Polymorphism with inheritance. Class vehicle with function move will print vehicle moves, and class car of vehicle parent class with function move will print the car drives, and class board of vehicle type will with function move will print board sails. For v in car and board v dot move, all subclasses use the same method name move, but each behaves differently. In one the car drives and in the other the boat sails. Example shapes. For example, class shape or function area and a class circle of base class shape with function area will return pi r square for circle, and class square of base class shape with function area will return a square. For shape in circle and square will print shape.area. This shows how polymorphism can model real world objects like shapes. Python also supports duck typing. If an object has the right method, it can be used regardless of its class. Example, if it walks like a duck and quacks like a duck, it's a duck. For example, class duck of with function sound print quack, and class person with function sound will print hello. Why polymorphism? Polymorphism helps write flexible code, handle multiple object types with a single interface, reduce duplication, improve readability and scalability. Many Python libraries use polymorphism. For example, plus sign operator works for both numbers and strings. File objects work the same way for different file types. Let's take a quick recap. So far we have learned polymorphism is equal to one name many forms, built-in polymorphism for functions like length and plus operator, polymorphism in classes, same method different results. Duck typing means behavior matters more than class. That's your introduction to polymorphism in Python. In the next video we will explore encapsulation in Python, another key OOP principle that helps protect and organize data. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep learning with Codecraft by Mac. Thank you.